In this video, we're going to build our very first Chrome extension from scratch. All right, this is step 1.
In this step, create 3 essential files: manifest.json, popup.html, and popup.js. Now move to ChatGPT. Here, make sure to include the following 3 files: manifest.json, popup.html, popup.js. Then write your main goal. For example, if you want to create a note-taking extension, simply type "create a note-taking extension for Chrome," then hit the enter. Now, just copy the code from ChatGPT and paste it into the corresponding file you created. Okay, now go to the top and click on View, Show, and Enable File Name Extensions. You'll see .txt at the end of each file. Just remove that so your files are named correctly. Now, open your browser, click on the 3 dots in the top right corner, go to Extensions, then click on Manage Extensions. After that, hit Load Unpacked and select the folder where all your extension files are saved. Now, click on your extension icon, then open a new tab, click the extension icon again, and boom, your extension is ready to use.